Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0xc19001e2 occurring on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Services. Best result should go back with Services listed right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to now locate the Windows Update service. You might have to go down near the bottom of this page here. Go ahead and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic and make sure service status is running. So if it's anything other than those two, go ahead and change it and then select apply and OK. And then once you're done with that, do the same thing for the background intelligent transfer service. You might have to go back up near the top. Again, background intelligent transfer service, go ahead and double click on that. Set startup type to automatic, and if it's stopped, select start. Then attempt to run the Windows update and see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing we go ahead and try here would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should go back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath recommended troubleshooting, go ahead and select additional troubleshooters, so near the bottom of this page. And select where it says Windows Update, resolve problems that are preventing you from updating Windows. Go ahead and left click on that and select Run the Troubleshooter. And once that's done, go ahead and select Close, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.